Hello everyone, welcome to PRV Solution. So, in this video lecture, we will study another very important topic, data acquisition system. This is very important topic because directly or indirectly we in daily life uses these data acquisition systems. So, firstly the introduction part of data acquisition system. In data acquisition, it is the process by which physical phenomena from the real world are transformed into electrical signals. Means from real world the physical phenomena can be transformed into electrical signal that are measured and converted into a digital format. So, they are converted into a digital format. Why we convert this into digital format? For processing, analyzing and storage by a computer. We can process the signal, analyze the signal and can store that signal by the computer, because computer works on digital. So, we will convert physical phenomena into digital signals. So, a data acquisition system is a device or an integrated system. It is an integrated system which is used to collect information about the state or condition of various parameters of any process. Let us see its example. Its example is collecting day to day temperature of a particular location. So, it can be termed as data acquisition system, because temperature is a physical phenomena. We will collect day to day temperature of a particular location, and then we will analyze this temperature variation through the computer. So, how this will work? Let us see. Nowadays, most data acquisition system are integrated with computer, sensors, signals, conditioning devices, etc. So, most data acquisition system consists of computer, sensor, signal conditioning devices, and the function of these kind of data acquisition systems varies. For a simple recording of a process parameter to control of the industrial system, we can not only record the process parameter, but we can also control the industry system by using this DAS, data acquisition systems. So, we can think of a data acquisition system as a collection of software and hardware that connects us to physical world. So, data acquisition system basically it is a combination of software and hardware that connects us to physical world. A typical data acquisition system consists of these components. It consists of sensors, transducers, field wiring, digital or signal conditioning elements, data acquisition hardware, PC, operating system, and data acquisition software. So, this is the basic block diagram of the data acquisition system. Here the physical world phenomena are sensed, firstly sensed, then the signal conditioning convert that into a usable form that can be accepted by analog to digital conversion, or means it is used for noise removal purpose, and then signal is converted into digital for display and decision making purpose, and then these signals after processing can be converted further into digital to analog signal, and signal conditioning elements the same role. They can convert into a signal into a usable form that can be accepted by these actuations, and this actuation further convert that signal into a physical world or phenomena that we want to be controlled in the industry. So, this is the real thing that is happening in the data acquisition system. This is the physical phenomena which is in analog in nature. Temperature, pressure and motions can be the variable here. These are sensed by or converted by some transducer into corresponding electrical signals. Transducer, thermocouples or strain gauge can be used as a components which converts these temperature, pressure, motion into corresponding electrical signal. Then when these signals are transmitted over the using some field wiring, they may contain or they gets contained noise there. So, this signal contains noise now. So, before applying this signal to the data acquisition hardware, We will remove this noise by using some filters and amplifier circuits. This state is known as signal conditioning state, and this filtered and amplified signal is then given to data acquisition hardware. This acquires the data, and this data is converted into digital data. Then this digital data is given to operating system, which is a computer that can be used for analyzing purpose, processing purpose, or manipulation of this data. So this is the overall working of our data acquisition system. Now the components used in the data acquisition system. First is the data acquisition hardware. We will use here data acquisition hardware. The main function of this hardware is to convert analog signal to digital and further digital to analog. So this is the main function A to D and D to A by the data acquisition hardware. Sensor and actuators means transducer. As we know, this transducer sensor converts input energy from one form to another form. For example, a thermocouple converts heat energy into electrical. An actuator also converts energy from one form to another, which is often connected at the output of the data acquisition system in order to manipulate the final control element. So actuator is used to manipulate the control element. Signal conditioning hardware. Sensor signals are often not compatible with the data acquisition hardware. So to overcome this incompatibility, the signal must be conditioned. For example, we may need to condition the thermocouple output signal by amplifying or it by removing the unwanted frequency components. So output signal may also need some conditioning here, which is done by using signal conditioning hardware. Next, the computer. Computer provides a processor, a system clock, a bus to transfer data, and memory and disk to store data. And the last component used in data acquisition system is the software. Software allows exchanging information between the computer and hardware. For example, typical software allows us to configure the sampling rate of our board and acquires a predefined amount of data. So methodology used in data acquisition system, how this DAS works. So DAS begins with the physical property that we want to measure. Example of this include temperature, light intensity, gas pressure, fluid flow, or force, etc., which we want to measure. So a sensor, which is a type of transducer, converts this physical property into a corresponding electrical signal. This signal may contain some noise, some unwanted frequency component. Then signal conditioning is used, which is may be necessary if the signal from the transducer is not suitable for DAQ hardware being used. After signal conditioning, the analog wave output is converted into digital form by using suitable A to D technique. Once digitized, the signal can be encoded to reduce and correct transmission errors. This overall process is known as data acquisition system. Now the merits and advantages of the data acquisition system. So here we have reduced data redundancy, reduced updating errors, and increased consistency. Greater data integrity is also possible and independence from applications program. Improved data access to user through use of the host and query languages. Improved data security is also here. Reduced data entry, storage, and retrieval cost. Facilitate development of a new application program. Now the demerits or disadvantage of the data acquisition system. Database systems are complex, difficult, and time consuming to design. Substantial hardware and software startup cost is also very high. Damage to database affects virtually all application program. Extensive conversion cost in moving from a file based system to a database system. So here conversion cost is also high. Initial training required for all programmers and users to use this DAS system. Thanks.